Apps have quickly become something we rely on for everything we do, from entertainment to productivity to communication and connection. But we never think of the developers behind those apps. In some ways, we take them for granted. Our mission is to build a platform which allows developers to turn their apps into really successful businesses.
You've got a tiny percentage of app developers making more than 50% of the revenue. You spend months, maybe even years building the best application possible, and then you find out how difficult it is to find the right users, understand who they are, and how they interact with your app, and then find a way to monetize them without turning them off.
Our mediation platform gives developers the ability to optimize across any kind of demand out there, from video to rewarded to display. Developers get full control. They can be hands-off or hands-on, but they'll get maximum performance either way, avoiding the hassle of dealing with various different partners.
When we chose to implement video mediation, we initially built our own in-house waterfall platform that turned out to be more complex and require more management than we originally expected. So we chose to work with ironSource's video ad mediation platform and saw immediate results in terms of reliability. We didn't see any interruption to quality of service for our players. We saw a double-digit increase in revenue, both gross revenue from across the entire game, but also revenue directly coming from players who engage in IAPs. The ironSource mediation platform gives us a tremendous ability to control what we present to our customers in terms of frequency, placement. It's essentially been something we haven't had to spend much time monitoring. It does what we need when we need it.
It's just easier to depend on an algorithm to optimize the revenue for us as opposed to manually updating a waterfall, incorporating different SDKs. Using a platform like ironSource figures all that out for you and makes it really easy to monetize.
A developer's biggest priority is building a quality experience for their users. They can't afford to let monetization efforts get in the way of a user's enjoyment. That's why rewarded video is so great. It's totally opt-in, so users feel they're in control, and they get a clear benefit for engaging with an ad.
Users were very happy with the rewarded videos. We did a test where we took the ad unit out and users were actually upset and they wrote negative reviews asking us to incorporate the rewarded video ad unit back into the game.
As costs rise and the market gets more crowded, it's becoming more challenging for buyers to find the right partners that can deliver both quality and scale. Good UA is an art and a science. It's a balance between all these different factors. That's what we're really good at. Our added value is ensuring that our partners are getting the highest quality user possible for the most competitive price.
We're always working on expanding the services we provide to developers. Above all, we want to help them better understand and engage with their users. Whenever we hear that developers are facing a new challenge, we get to work on building a solution. Our platform is designed to allow them to focus on what they do best, developing great apps, while we take care of all the rest.